Many people wonder, do Muslims worship the Kaaba? It's a common question, but the truth is simple. No, Muslims do not worship the Kaaba. The Kaaba is a black cube-shaped building in Mecca. Muslims face it during prayer, but we do not pray to it. It is only a symbol of unity, so that no matter where we are in the world, we all face one direction when we worship one God, Allah. Islam teaches that only Allah deserves worship, not any object, place, or person. Even when Muslims go to Hajj and walk around the Kaaba, they do it because Allah told us to, not because the Kaaba has any power. It's just a sacred place, full of history and blessings, not a god. Caliph Umar, R.A., once said to the black stone, "You are just a stone. You can't benefit or harm me. If I hadn't seen the Prophet kiss you, I wouldn't have kissed you." That's how clear Islam is about worship. So remember, Muslims worship only Allah, the creator of the Kaaba, the earth, the skies, and everything in between. The Kaaba is a direction, not the destination. Our heart, our prayers, and our love belong only to Allah.